Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived an old lady named Mrs. Thompson and her devoted son, Thomas. Mrs. Thompson was known throughout the village for her kindness, wisdom, and unwavering love for her son. Thomas, on the other hand, was a bit impetuous and often sought adventure beyond the village borders. Despite his wanderlust, he always returned home to his mother, who welcomed him with open arms and a warm meal. As the years passed, Mrs. Thompson grew older, and Thomas felt the weight of responsibility settle upon his shoulders. He knew he had to take care of his mother, but his desire for adventure still burned brightly within him. One day, Thomas announced to his mother that he was leaving the village to seek his fortune in distant lands. Mrs. Thompson, though saddened by the prospect of her son's departure, smiled and gave him her blessing. Years went by, and Thomas traveled far and wide, experiencing the wonders and perils of the world beyond the village. He made friends, faced challenges, and amassed wealth beyond his wildest dreams. However, despite his success, Thomas felt a gnawing emptiness in his heart. He missed his mother terribly and longed to return to her side. With a heavy heart, he made the journey back to the village, unsure of what he would find. When Thomas arrived home, he was greeted with open arms by his mother, who had been eagerly awaiting his return. As they embraced, tears of joy streamed down their faces, and Thomas realized that the true treasure he had been searching for was the love and companionship of his mother. From that day forward, Thomas stayed by his mother's side, cherishing each moment they spent together. He realized that while adventure and wealth were fleeting, the love of family was a treasure beyond compare. The moral of the story is that no matter how far we wander or how much we achieve, the love and support of family are the true riches of life. It teaches us to cherish our loved ones, to prioritize their well-being, and to find contentment in the simple joys of togetherness.